4 scan tips, 2 batteries, main unit, charging base, power adapter, USB flash drive. Insert the USB flash drive into the workstation. Drag the installation package from the USB drive to the desk and double-click the icon to run the file. Click I agree. Click Next. Click Next again. Select the installation location. Click Install. Enter the software installation interface and wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Close to exit the installation. Align the battery with the battery slot at the rear of the scanner. Make sure the metal contact on the battery aligns with the metal contact inside the slot. Push in steadily until you hear a click sound. Battery installation complete. Wipe the scanner lens with a moist, lint-free cloth or lens tissue to ensure it is clean. Take out a scan tip and install it onto the scanner. As shown in the video, it can be mounted in both directions. Insert the USB connector of the wireless adapter into the workstation's USB port. The first time you insert the wireless adapter, you will need to install the driver. Double-click the icon to run the file. The installation interface will automatically close after the software is installed. The scanner will connect automatically when you open the scanning interface. Check the model, battery level, and connection status in the list at the bottom right. If the scanner is not detected, click the refresh icon and wait. Once connected, remove the scanner from the charging base, and it will turn on automatically. Place the scanner back on the charging base to enter the sleep state. Click the disconnect icon on the right again, and the scanner will disconnect. The intraoral scanner has 2 buttons and 2 indicator lights. Start/Stop Scan button. When powered on, press once to start scanning, press again to stop scanning. Jaw bite switch button. During scanning, press to switch scan modes. Charging indicator light. Scan mode indicator light. Upper jaw scan mode. Lower jaw scan mode. Bites mode. The device comes with 2 batteries. One as the internal battery in the scanner main unit and one as a spare battery in the charging base. When the charging indicator light of scanner is solid blues, indicates scanner battery is fully charged. When the charging indicator light of scanner is flashing blues, indicates scanner battery is charging. When the charging indicator light of scanner is solid red, indicates scanner battery is about to run out. Insert the Type-C plug of the power adapter into the charging port on the bottom of the base. Then, connect the other end to the power supply. Place the main unit on the charging base. After 10 minutes, the charging indicator on the scanner's main unit interface will display the charging status. You can also check battery status from the scanner list in the workstation interface. Plug the Type-C connector of the power adapter into the charging port at the bottom of the charging base, connect the other end to the power supply, and insert the battery into the charging slot of the base. The blue flashing indicator on the base shows the spare battery is charging. The proportion of the ring light that remains steadily lit approximately corresponds to the battery level. The scanner with battery and the spare battery can be charged simultaneously. Use a soft brush or cleaning cloth to remove visible contaminants from surfaces. Wipe all the exterior surfaces of the components thoroughly with a cloth lightly moistened with ethanol, 70 to 80% vol.